Okay, welcome back, you guys. Today we're going to be taking compound quadratic solved. So where you get some little, tips on how to solve it. So side compound quadratic solved. So for a compound quadratic solved, the expression of this is shown to be the square root of a, which we can have it to be plus or minus the square root of b. So this basically explains what we have here. This expression is on our compound quadratic solved. So the word plus or minus meaning you can either have you have it to be square root of a root b, or have it to be square root of a minus square root of b. So if a given expression to simplify this can be simplified in a way by saying this expression can be expanded in form of an identity of a plus b plus 2 root ab all squared. I think you get what I'm trying to say here. So we here have addition of two numbers and the product of two numbers. So mathematically, this can give us a final answer of square root of a plus square root of b. So that's the answer to this expression whenever you are given. Likewise, the same thing goes here. We can express this to be which is going to give us an answer square root of a minus square root of b. Mind you, the square root of a is far greater than what b. Note that. That is this, the first one here is greater than b. So that's clear. Let me just give one example on how to solve this. Example, we are told to simplify the square root of 17 plus let's say 2 root 13. Sorry, okay, 4 root 13. So how can we solve this question? So root 17 plus 4 root 13. So we're to look for the simplify or solve this expression. So to solve this, just follow the step I did there. So here, I can expand this into square root of 17 plus 2 roots. Now bring 2 inside, and we're going to left with 2, and it can give me 24. So from this expression, I'm looking for two numbers in such a way that if I add the two numbers together, I'm going to get 17. And if I multiply these two numbers together, I will likewise get what? 24. And oh, sorry, it's supposed to be 52. Thank you. So all the two numbers which, if I add them together, I get 52. And if I multiply them, I get 52. And you add it together, you're going to get 17. So what could the answer be? So that's going to be 13 and 4. So here we have, so here we'll be having 13 plus 4 plus 2 roots 13 times 4. And actually, whenever you have this expression, all squared. So whenever you have this expression, its equivalent answer, this can be put as the square root of 13 plus the square root of 4, all squared. So your final answer here will be giving us square root of 13 plus square root of 4. I hope this is clear. So yeah, we're going to stop here for today. So we see you in our next class. Thank you.